Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nufai Ashwin Afendi. So today we will talk about process instruments in General Height. So next. So this is company background. Process Instruments in Berhad is a company that supplies process instrument and control component. Our premise is based in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Over this year, we have provided solution to oil and gas contractor. If you can see, on the left side, this picture is transmitter, and next one is quantum meter, and below cable gland, and the last one is gas detector. So this is the certain products in our company. Like company goals, upgrade with the latest technology and to ensure that our customer achieve the highest satisfaction. As you know, many company have their own company goals. So this is the one of our company goals, upgrades with the latest technology and to ensure that our customer achieve the highest satisfaction. Project background and progress statement. So the background project that our teams wants to do is to improve the process of our system in the instrument company. So we have created the system called My Instrument to easier our staff or employees to do their work. And there is 4 departments involved, which is sales department, procurement department, eco department, and also head of department. So for sales, we get the order from customer, and they will give instruction to procurement to do some sourcing for the product price. And then account department also will trigger for make a payment to the supplier, and head of department will approve the payment for account department proceed. The system we made is for easier employees to make their job, and our job is not overlooked. Objective and scope of project. First one is to define the problem, to involve problem phase, more innovations to overcome the problem. Next, the project will be focused on the company process instruments we overhead. Half of our company supplier are from overseas. We will improve the standard of producer in our company so the employees are more efficient and find it easy to do their job. So instrument is something that we hard to find in Malaysia. So mostly our supplier on is out of Malaysia from overseas. So takes a bit long times to make a order.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Musara. So I will present the impacts of system on my instrument company. This is the list for the impacts. The first thing first, cheaper to hire a computer than to hire a person. So the computer is a good for the long term instead of we using the manpower. And then manually transfer information from one staff to another staff, and if needed, staff have printed a lot of papers. So this is if we use the manpower and manual, not using the system. So we have to use a lot of papers and it will decrease our paper waste. The third point is when applying to system, anything related to working in system automatically will reduce the time and cost of the task. If we use the manual, so it will delay everything, the procedure, other than we use the system and it's quicker from we use the manual. The management review of any change in system, it easier to disseminate and quickly make an action. This one, like just now I said, it will reduce everyone's side's time and it will quicker than we use the manpower. The importance of logistic system on my instrument company. Logistic have up-to-date and real-time information in the planning and execution of logistic. Logistic is the main of everything. So if logistic delay for some important things, and then it will affect at the warehousing, transportation, distribution, and everything. So logistic have to do something that it will not affect other sites. Okay, a logistic inform the latest update to warehouse and distribution transportation, and this is just like just now I said, logistic is the main for everything. So if logistic delay, everything will be delayed. The storage and processing of logistic data are used for analytical decision making and to provide better visibility to supply chain actors, tracking and tracing. Logistic information system consists of a wide set of software systems comprising several interconnecting applications configured in accordance with organizational needs. Okay, system is an effective tool that can make society and companies more efficiency. The application of innovative technologies are information and communication technology (ICT) and international transportation service (IST). Urban freight transport allows the collection of precise data on pickup delivery truck movement on urban road network with lower cost. Digital data can be fully used to optimize vehicle routing and scheduling planning in a dynamic and stochastic manner. Therefore, both companies and society at large can benefit from the application of innovative ICT and ITS technologies in terms of the efficiency of logistics as well as the reduction of negative environmental impacts.
Okay, hi and assalamualaikum. My name is Nurina Bila Huda. So I'm going to tell about the formula and methods that being used in our company. So our company using a formula which is Craigie Morgan formula. So this formula is developed a table using a sample size formula to simplify the process of normal distributed population. So as you can see, there are the formula that can be used. You just have to fill in the numbers that, for example, the numbers that given, find the profit or something. Okay, next. Okay, now we're going to chapter 3, which is research methodology. Okay, so introduction to My Instrument Web. As you know that we are going to create a web which is we call it as My Instrument. So as you can see, this web will help to find the data electronically fulfillment about information of the delivery. Second, this web will help to see the process that provides the delivery or the information. So for example, the driver will know where is the delivery or the information so that the driver will make sure about their timetable to when they will arrive at the destination to give the customer the goods or something. Then this web will help the drivers to get delivery orders more efficiently, as I said before. Then the last one is all department and customer will be more alert about the process through this web. So this web will help the customer and the staff to be more focused, and it will make a lot more of the quality process, because this web will not use a paper or something. It's a paperless. It's a web, so everyone can use it in your phone or computer, as you know that we are in a modern era right now. Okay, this is the research design. So you can see it about our process throughout the research we have been looking for throughout our assignment for this project. Okay, next.
Hi, my name is Ersha and I will be talking about process flow. So this is our project flow for the throughout the project. So Farah will be doing the chapter 1 from company background, project background, problem project, objective project, research question, scope of project and significance of project. And for the second chapter, it's made by Sarah Jo, literature research, transportation, logistic and formula. And for the third chapter, it's going to be made by Nurin, and some of them is made by me. It's just process flow, data collection method, and summary. And for the chapter 4 and chapter 5, we made it after the proposal, so it's unable to edit it out yet. So okay, let's continue to the next slide. Okay, data collection method. We are using questionnaire for collecting the research. So we gave out these questions to our respondents. So the first one, is it easier to use My Instrument application or manually updating whereabouts of customer orders? And for the second question is, could this improvement lead to their driver and operating staff work more efficiently? And for the third question, can this application ease the problem and risk faced by the drivers in getting accurate information? And four, do you agree that the improvement of this application could improve the delivery time and driver quality work? And for the last one is, does this application lead to a better, faster delivery to the customer hand? And next slide. Okay, for the chapter 4, I will be talking about the respondents of the questionnaire that I give on the chapter 3. And for the first question is, can the application be used to ease the problem faced by the truck drivers in getting information? And 90% of them said yes, meanwhile there are 10% of them said no. This majority of them said yes because they agreed that the problems faced by drivers is usually late information, and it's too much of a hassle and takes too much time to just doing it manually and telling them manually instead of putting it on a platform where they can reach it easier. And for the second one is, could this improvement make the drivers and operating staff works more easier? And 90% of them said yes, meanwhile like 5 of them said no. And this is majority of them said yes because there are big improvement when it comes to like this application, because they used to do it manually like on papers, and you have to like search for people to just asking for signs and approval. And now it's more easier since you can do it more automatically on a system where everyone can reach it out more easier. And it's also included for the customers can also check their products delivery and where it's gonna be shipped and all the information that's needed by a customer. And for the third, fourth, and fifth one, I will be sending it to Nur Nabila. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'll be continuing each part, which is the paragraph for number 3. So number 3 is a question about, would you agree that the new improvement for the company could lead to faster delivery? So as you can see, the respondent that answered yes is 85% and no is 15%. So which means the respondent that answering yes that agreed about this web that we are created that can lead to a faster delivery, because this web will see more clearly about the process of the delivery and about the information of the goods and something. So for the number 4, the question is about, it is easier to use the application than manually updating. So as you can see from here, 100% respondent that answer 100. So there is no respondent that pick an answer for no, because this web is not manual, it's a system that can lead to more systematic process, because you know that manually can lead to overlook or something else, so there will be a problem or mistakes when doing the process of the delivery or making the delivery order or something. So by the system it can be more systematic. Okay, so for number 5, the last paragraph and last question that we ask for the respondent is, would you agree that an improvement in application use could improve delivery time and driver quality? So the respondent that answered yes is 85%, which is more than the respondent that answered no, which is 15%. It is because this web can help the driver to see to get the information more quickly, and the process to send it to the customer will be more faster than the manual one. Okay, that's all from me and Icha to explain about the question that we asked to the respondents. Then I will pass it to the person for the next one. Thank you.
Okay, back to me for chapter 5, conclusion and recommendation. So first of all, introductions. Researcher conducted this study to determine the My Instrument system can improve job performance. In these generations, mostly company use systems, My ERP, and more applications. They do not use manually method. So that system is so important in our company for make improvement and get achievement and get highest rating from our customer. And then conclusions. The implementations of the My Instrument system can have a great impact on a company. So like I say, as you know that if we use system for company, it is more easier for our employees to do their work efficiency and more details, so that we can give 100% that our customer will give highest satisfactions in their order. So for recommendations, application system for process instrument. So process instrument is really need to use system in their company, a company that still use manual methods. So I recommendation for this system for process instrument because they will improve the company ratings and employee will be more alert to their order or payment, so that not takes too long to get a approval from HOD. And last one, improvement give us informations. Ensure that the work done is more effective, can still approve the job whenever they are. Information we get from customer can also be traced quickly. So like I say, if our HOD is not in our office work, they still can approve the work everywhere they are go using the system. So if the customer make an order from us, we can trace quickly and can do it the work accurately. Next.
As you can see, this is our website that we have created before we use it to the staff at office. After user have to log in or register. For the new user already registered before this, and then they don't have any problem to log in as usual. And then for the new user, they have to sign up and then register at our system first, and then they can use the website or apps easily. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Bye Sabaris, saya tengah kerja.